Hello crafty friend! For this card I'm using the treat card, ocean shell-fie, treat card sentiment add-on, seahorsin around, and you are sublime stamps and dies. You can find the list of supplies linked below. First I stamped the images onto Nina Solar white cardstock using jet black ink and my MISTI. After stamping I heat set the ink with my heat gun to prevent ink smearing. Now it's coloring time. These are the copy color combos I'm using on the stamped images. Feel free to check back here anytime for the color reference. As you can see, I stamped a lot of ice creams, and I'm wondering what's your favorite ice cream flavor. Feel free to share it in your comment. Now I will put on some music for the coloring process, and I will be back with the continuation soon. When the coloring is done, the next step is adding highlights. I use a white pigment pen to create highlights on the images. When that's done, I die cut the images off camera with their matching dies. Next, I cut a piece of tight pull cardstock, which is my new favorite color from lawnfawn. I fixed the coordinating die of the Give It a Whirl messages stamp set on the cardstock and run it through my die cut machine to add the lovely shadow box effect to my card. After this process, I stamp the sentiment from the Treat Card Messages add-on stamp onto the cardstock with watermark ink. Then I heat set it with white embossing powder. The next step is ink blending with blueprint sketch, salty ocean and peacock feathers to make the background a bit darker, which will make the colored images pop out. When the ink blending is done, I add white splatters with white gouache to both of the blended surfaces. Once the splatters are dry, I adhere the card base and the card front together with 3D foam adhesive. Now my favorite part begins, the styling. The main idea of this card is simple. When we are at the beach, we want to eat ice cream, so I imagined a fictional place where the undersea critters like ice cream as well. I wanted to create a crowded fair feeling, where when the ice cream cart arrives, the critters are just having fun. Take a look of this finished card. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you can get crafty this week too. Bye!